ITI has developed software tools since 1994. ITI presents Easy Scan Solutions as our newest product line offering. Easy Scan Solutions is your partner. We help you efficiently and effectively scan your documents using a kiosk-type approach, offering users step-by-step instructions. Our apps add new functionality to a multifunction device or completely transform it into a kiosk, offering workflow solutions tailored to your industry or your own specific office. Our apps are simple to use, streamlining the scan process to ensure all users scan and name documents in a consistent manner. Ultimately, our apps scan a series of documents, sending digital versions of each document to a file folder on your server. Your document management system will retrieve the digital files from this file folder, offering long-term storage and efficient search capabilities. Let us show you how easy it really is.
Scroll down to look for the app that you're planning to scan into. Select the app for easy registration for human resources. If the ID number is relevant in your organization, you may select within the box, and on the keypad, select the numbers. Or over to the right, select with your finger or swish out to the left a keypad. You have employee ID entered. Now it's time to put in a first name, last name. Select Continue. The easy registration for employees will prompt you for which document to put on the glass or on the document feeder throughout the entire process. The first step is to place the employee's I-9 in the automatic document feeder. Press Scan when ready. Now, place the employee's W-4 on the glass. Press Scan when ready. Place the employee's license and Social Security card on the glass at the same time in the upper left-hand corner of the glass, one stacked beneath the other. Press Scan when ready. Place the employee's emergency contact form on the glass on the upper left-hand corner, or if it makes sense, put it on the document feeder, your choice. Press Scan when ready. Place the employee's health insurance marketplace notice in the automatic document feeder. Press Scan when ready. Place the employee's notice of the workers' compensation coverage in the automatic document feeder. Press Scan when ready. Place the employee's consent for background checks and drug testing in the automatic document feeder. Press Scan when ready. Place the employee's policy handbook acceptance form on the glass. Press Scan when ready. If there are any other additional documents or forms that you need to place on the glass or in the document feeder, do so now, and then select in the other box. If there are additional documents to be scanned, put it on the glass or in the document feeder at this time. Click within the other box. Now type a description of what the document is. Enter, select the scan. This is the last stage of the app, and you can see here all the documents that you have scanned. If everything looks good, select Finish. If you have additional documents, let's say that you have an additional W-4 or additional emergency contact forms, you can select the Rescan button, place the document on the glass or the automatic document feeder, select Scan, and it puts you back through the process again. So if you want to go back to the end where we just were at, hit Skip or Finish. If you have other documentation, you can select the Add More. Select Scan. So let's say that you've scanned all your documents. Select Finish. It goes back to a blank screen so you can enter new scans for a new employee. If you have no other documents or an employee to scan documents with, select Exit. After you have scanned your documents using the REG Human Resources app on the Xerox Connect Key enabled device, you can access your scanned documents within the Imaging Made Simple. If you enable the user security feature, you would have been prompted to enter the username and the password. Then select the REG for HR. This is what the viewer looks like. There are multiple ways to do a search on your document. In the quick search option, you can search by first name, last name, the ID number, or the document type, or a date. So let's look for Paul. And as you can see here, if you scroll down, we have a pretty good sized database with a lot of names, a lot of employees. We're going to look for Paul. Search. So we have all of Paul documents, and you'll notice here we have two different Pauls. We have Paul Wash and Paul Goldman. Okay, and here you see the ID number and you see the document type. So with Paul, if you wanted to look for Paul Goldman, to be more specific, you would have just typed in Goldman, search. Now we're only looking at Paul Goldman's documents. And here we see we have three different documents. We have a policy acceptance, an ID card, an emergency contact. You simply click on the image and you can view it. This is a sample document, just to get the point across. We have the REG Human Resources document. It's emergency contact. We have all of his details here. Or we could view all three of his documents side by side, even if they're the same document with multiple occurrences of it, different versions, and look at them side by side, tinkering between the two. Okay? We could take it another step further with an advanced query search. Maybe you're looking for all documents between one date range and another date range. For documents for the name of Paul again, let's try that. First name, P-A-U-L. Okay, so we've pulled up both names, and it narrowed it down to our dates between 9/22 of 14 and 9/22 of 16. Okay, and you see them here. We could also reset. We could look for a date range. For a particular document type, search, and you could review all of your employees concerning a certain type of document in the database. So we're looking at the consent forms, and you just view it, making sure that they're all the current, and if not, maybe you want to get a more current one signed. Okay, and you can toggle between them if needed. If there's multiple pages, you can advance to the certain page to view using the drop down or the next feature. So we've showed you some sample search options. In order to understand better all the search capabilities that Imaging Made Simple offers, or all the features and functionalities that could be utilized using the Imaging Made Simple system, we recommend that you watch the brief demonstration of Imaging Made Simple within this website. This concludes the demonstration of how to scan documents using the Xerox Connect Key device and doing a search within the Imaging Made Simple system.